Hello and welcome back to another Cooking with Ashley. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my famous chicken and rice. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is to grab a bowl, one that's not too big but also not too small, just a regular sized bowl. Next thing is the chicken. I just have teriyaki chicken that looks like this, and your rice. This is just plain white rice, and you combine them together to make the chicken and rice, obviously. This is just the brand of white rice that I have been using. Now that we have the chicken in a bowl like this, you are now going to want to put it in the microwave. Now, depending on whether you have a high or low level microwave will depend on how long you put it in for. Sometimes you only need to put it in for 20 seconds, sometimes you have to put it in for 30 seconds, it just depends on your microwave. It's now nice and warm. Now we open up our rice. Now I put my rice in for 40 seconds, so chicken in for 30 seconds, rice in for 40 seconds, but again it depends on your microwave. It's nice and warm, so now you're just going to pour this on top like that. Now you're just going to grab a fork. The great thing about this tin chicken is that it comes with a nice sauce. Like I said, this is the teriyaki chicken, but there's like different flavors and they have different sauces with them, which is really nice. So now it is time to mix it all together and then obviously try it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, then smash it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!